Hello everyone, today we will look at the Toyota Crown 2025 model. There are quite a few impressive things. The 2025 Toyota Crown is set to elevate premium style and technology with its latest offerings, including the introduction of the Nightshade edition to the sedan lineup. With distinctive dark badging, black handles, and 21-inch 10-spoke wheels featuring a matte black finish, the Nightshade edition adds a bold and striking contrast to the Crown lineup, sure to catch attention on the road. Available in 4 different grades: XLE, Limited, Nightshade, and Platinum, the Toyota Crown offers versatility to suit various preferences. All models come exclusively in all-wheel drive configuration, providing enhanced traction and stability on various road conditions. Under the hood, customers have a choice between 2 different hybrid powertrains: the Toyota Hybrid System or the potent Hybrid Max, exclusively available on the Platinum grade. The Hybrid Max boasts impressive performance figures, with 340 net combined horsepower and a net 400 pound-feet of torque, providing exhilarating driving dynamics. Paired with a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine and direct-shift 6-speed automatic transmission, the Hybrid Max delivers powerful torque at low RPM while maintaining an EPA-estimated 30 mpg combined city, highway fuel economy rating. For those opting for the XLE, Limited, and Nightshade grades, the Toyota Hybrid System offers exceptional efficiency with an EPA-estimated 41 mpg combined city, highway rating. This hybrid system combines front and rear electric motors with a 2.5-liter engine, delivering responsive acceleration and a satisfying driving experience. All-wheel drive capabilities are standard across the XLE, Limited, Nightshade, and Platinum grades, with each grade featuring advanced systems tailored to maximize the benefits of the hybrid powertrain. The electronic on-demand AWD system on the XLE, Limited, and Nightshade grades employs a rear-mounted electric motor to power the rear wheels when needed, enhancing traction in slippery conditions while optimizing fuel efficiency and driving performance. On the Platinum grade, the full-time electronic AWD system, paired with the Hybrid Max Performance Hybrid System, delivers power to both front and rear wheels via a front-mounted hybrid motor and a rear-mounted e-axle electric motor. The Toyota Crown embodies a dignified and refined design philosophy, showcasing meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail that sets it apart in today's sedan market. With standard 19-inch wheels, or optional 21-inch wheels, the Crown exudes a commanding presence on the road, offering drivers a clear view of their surroundings. The elevated stance of the vehicle, with a hip point measuring approximately 25 inches, enhances ease of entry and exit for occupants. The dynamic body style of the Toyota Crown is characterized by sleek and sweeping character lines that lend it a distinctive and head-turning appearance. The signature hammerhead front fascia, adorned with daylight running lights at the front tip, adds to the allure and sophistication of the Crown's exterior design. Inside the spacious cabin, occupants are greeted with a premium ambiance, featuring unique color combinations and standard leather-trimmed seating. The interior boasts modern amenities such as a full digital display, piano key controls, a vertical wireless charging port, and the latest Toyota audio multimedia system, with the option for an 11-speaker JBL premium audio system, ensuring an immersive and enjoyable driving experience. The Toyota Crown delivers a luxurious and comfortable cabin experience, accentuated by an array of premium features designed to enhance comfort, convenience, and connectivity for both driver and passengers. Starting with the seating, the Crown offers exceptional comfort with standard 8-way power-adjustable driver and front passenger seats, featuring multiple adjustments including slide, recline, tilt, height adjust, and lumbar support. Driver seat only. Rear seats are equally inviting, with ample cushioning and bolster support ensuring maximum enjoyment for passengers. Heated and ventilated front seats, adjustable to 3 levels, and heated rear seats further enhance comfort in all weather conditions. Leather-trimmed seats come standard on all grades, adding a touch of sophistication to the interior. Dual-zone climate control, accessible via an illuminated control panel along the dashboard, ensures personalized comfort for all occupants. A 12.3-inch color digital gauge cluster with selectable gauges provides essential information at a glance, including a hybrid system indicator to encourage eco-driving habits. The Platinum, Nightshade, and Limited grades feature a standard fixed panoramic moonroof, while in-cabin LED lighting adds a premium ambiance. Illumination extends to overhead and front, rear footwell lighting, cup holders, USB ports, and door handle accents. For device charging and connectivity, the Crown offers ample options, including a vertical type wireless Qi charger, USB-C and 12 volts charging ports, and dual USB Type-C ports for rear seat passengers. Enhanced visibility is provided by the panoramic view monitor, standard on the Platinum grade and available as part of the advanced tech package on the Limited grade. A standard backup camera with projected path and dynamic grid lines further aids maneuverability. Convenience features such as the smart key system, standard on Limited, Nightshade, and Platinum grades, offer seamless access to the vehicle. The Platinum grade also boasts a head-up display, providing important information directly in the driver's line of sight, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel for added comfort and convenience. The high-performance fuel cell electric vehicle system represents a significant leap forward in automotive technology, offering a sustainable and exhilarating driving experience. Fuel cell electric vehicle utilize hydrogen as fuel, a clean energy source that can be produced from various renewable sources, contributing to environmental preservation and energy security. By running on hydrogen, these vehicles emit zero CO2 emissions during operation, making them environmentally friendly alternatives to traditional combustion engine vehicles. Fuel cell electric vehicle deliver acceleration performance and driving dynamics that are characteristic of electric vehicles, offering a thrilling and enjoyable driving experience. The instant torque delivery from the electric motor ensures smooth acceleration, while the absence of engine noise enhances the overall driving sensation. Equipped with a high-performance fuel cell system similar to that used in the Mirai, fuel cell electric vehicle boasts impressive range capabilities. With 3 high-pressure hydrogen tanks and fuel cells, drivers can travel approximately 820 kilometers on a single 3-minute hydrogen refill. This extended range makes fuel cell electric vehicles suitable for long-distance travel and provides drivers with added convenience and peace of mind. Quiet and comfortable ride. In addition to performance, fuel cell electric vehicle offer a quiet and comfortable ride characteristic of electric vehicles. The absence of traditional engine noise coupled with the smooth power delivery of the electric motor enhances the overall driving experience, ensuring a serene and enjoyable journey for occupants. Environmental benefits. By emitting zero CO2 emissions during operation, fuel cell electric vehicle play a crucial role in reducing greenhouse gas emissions and mitigating climate change. Furthermore, the use of hydrogen as fuel contributes to the preservation of the global environment and enhances energy security by diversifying the sources of energy for transportation. The high-performance fuel cell electric vehicle system represents a breakthrough in automotive technology, offering drivers an environmentally sustainable and exhilarating driving experience. With impressive range capabilities, instant torque delivery, and quiet operation, fuel cell electric vehicle are poised to revolutionize the automotive industry and pave the way for a greener and more sustainable future.